conservative conspiracy theorist interrupts a peaceful vigil following the death of Ruth Bader Ginsburg, and he's met with opposition. From Reach TV Studios in Hollywood, it is Andy to tell you everything that you need to know about your social media news daily. And sadly, we're talking about the death of Ruth Bader Ginsburg. But there are some people who are overjoyed. Some people obviously met that with some disrespect in this story, but like and subscribe, and let's get into this story here. On Friday, Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg passed away. Many took the time to honor her legacy and commemorate her life, but others decided to be flat out disrespectful in this time. Many people took to Twitter to pay their respects and grief over the loss of RBG. One user said, "As if 2020 could literally not get any worse, Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg passed away. She survives through her legacy as one of the strongest equal and human rights advocates. Rest in power, notorious RGB." Someone else said, "Ruth Bader Ginsburg just died, and I have never been so sad to see a public figure die in my life. She was a champion for human rights and one of the most intelligent justices we've ever had. 2020 is trying really hard to break me, and to be honest, it's working." Late Friday night, many people in Washington D.C. went to the Supreme Court to hold a vigil for Ginsburg. For the most part, it was peaceful until far-right conspiracy theorist Jacob Wohl and Jack Berkman showed and taunted everyone who was mourning RBG. But the people there continued to drown out Jacob Wohl, shouting out RBG and "respect this woman." In the video, Wohl mentioned that Roe versus Wade is dead, and actually, if you don't know what that is, it's the case that gave women the legal right to have an abortion. So that really gave some chaos to things, but let's also debrief on how they got him to leave. The crowd was able to drown out Jacob Wohl, and the vigil became peaceful again. With RBG no longer with us, many fear that the Trump administration will fill the vacant seat with a Supreme Court justice who will work hard on getting rid of the Roe versus Wade, and activists believe this would be a catastrophic event for many people. Naya Curry, 23, said, "Some of y'all really don't understand how big RBG's death is. They could overturn Roe versus Wade. They could take away our reproductive rights and ability to have access to birth control. Please, please, please vote this year because we're running out of time." Someone else said, "Republicans are really trying to overturn Roe versus Wade. For people who hate being told what to do, i.e. wear masks, y'all sure love telling women what to do with our bodies. It makes me sick." President Trump is already looking to fill Ginsburg's seat in the Supreme Court, saying in a campaign rally that, quote, "It will be a woman, a very talented, very brilliant woman. I haven't chosen yet, but we have numerous women on the list." Despite the hopelessness and everyone fearing the worst, Representative AOC actually went to her Instagram and really tried to get people to rally and get to vote, which I also encourage you to do the same. If you don't like what's going on right now, or if you don't want to see something that you have right now taken away, you have your right to vote for either party, either side, but make sure you are also sticking to your rights and what you believe in. But also, I hope you do what's best. But for more stories like this, obviously first comment down below and let us know what you think. But for more, go to whatstrending.com, find me at Lalwani, and find us at What's Trending. And follow all of your news and stay educated, my friends.